in the context of the Human Rights Council, I think it's a very good initiative that they have taken to bring the issue to the Human Rights Council, and I thank them very much for that.
Thank you. And it's now my privilege as well to pass the word to my colleague György Tatár, the chair of the Foundation for the International Prevention of Genocide and Mass Atrocities. The floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Enzo. Dear Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear Nancy. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the missions of Poland and Hungary for assisting and supporting the Foundation for the International Prevention of Genocide and Mass Atrocities to organize this conference dedicated to Raphael Lemkin and the contemporary challenges related to genocidal crimes, and for providing an opportunity to launch the Raphael Lemkin International Prize for Prevention of Genocide and Mass Atrocities in the margins of the Human Rights Council today. The concept of genocide, fathered by Raphael Lemkin in the middle of last century, and the UN Convention to Prevent and Punish Genocide, drafted by him, marked the onset of a new era in the history. Since then, the international community has been devoting increasing attention to the issues of dehumanization and its prevention. For the past 7 decades, a lot has been done and achieved, but a lot has remained to be accomplished. Despite considerable international efforts to fight and prevent the crimes of crimes, as Lemkin called it, genocide was perpetrated even in Europe in the end of the last decade of the 20th century. Should therefore increase the international efforts to deprive the 21st century of the barbaric crimes of genocide and create all conditions and guarantees to fully implement the intention born more than 60 years ago. In doing so, we may not forget that genocide is a process evolving in majority of cases for long decades. As Lemkin has already indicated 70 years ago, genocide had to be a planned, deliberate, intentional action destructive to a national, racial, ethnic, or religious group. Those who are ready and willing to undertake counteractions have therefore ample time for prevention. The current capacities in the world to warn in time criminal activities threatening by mass atrocities and genocide and take timely actions to prevent perpetration